Morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 3, that is articles. From first standard you have learned articles a and the. Now you see the words a and the are called articles. They come before nouns. Articles can be divided into two types. One is indefinite and other is definite. The words a and an are called indefinite articles and the word the is called the definite article. This define you will write in your notebook, children, one time. Now see the article a. The article a is used before a singular countable noun. Countable noun and uncountable noun you all know. Countable nouns are which you can count and uncountable nouns are those which you cannot count. Now see, article a is used before a singular countable noun and that begins with always consonant sound. And article n is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. We also use a and n when we refer to a countable noun for the first time and when there is an adjective. When there is an adjective before a noun, the article a or n should be placed before it. See children, in number 1 example, an autonomous university. Article a and n is given over here because the word starts with the vowel a. Now one example of a one-day match. A is written 1. It starts with O. So we write article a. Now when we use the article the is used when you mention or refer to someone or something again and again, when you are repeating some word. We also use the to refer to specific nouns, either singular or plural. In both you can use the. The article the is used with the names of oceans, rivers, group of islands, canals, musical instruments, special buildings, monuments, mountains, hills, newspapers, holy book, designations, directions, countries like US and UK. And when there is only one thing of its kind, it is used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. The article the is used with the adjectives also to refer to a whole group of people. It is also used with decades. Now we decide on the article a or n depending on whether the word starts with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. For example, NMLA. Here it starts with the M, that is consonant. But why we have written a and n? Because M is made up of two sounds a and m. We pronounce as M. That's why. A USA ambassador. See, it starts with the vowel U, but still A is written. Article A is used. Why? Because U has a Y sound. We pronounce as an US ambassador. So it starts with Y. That's why article A is used.